Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari. CBSE has recently released a circular about brand new mobile application called My Career Advisor. This app was launched by Ministry of Education during 5th anniversary of NEP 2020. In today's video, we'll talk about what this app offers and also show you how to download and use it step by step. So now let's see in detail. So this is the official circular released by CBSE on 16 September 2025 with subject My Career Advisor, a mobile application. According to this circular, Ministry of Education, Government of India has developed a digital mobile application titled My Career Advisor. This app was launched on 29 July 2025. This application is designed to provide school students with timely, relevant and personalized guidance on diverse career pathway. It aims to empower students to make informed choice about their academic and professional future. And they also request all the teachers and principals to disseminate the information regarding this app among student, teacher and other stakeholders so that maximum benefit can be derived from this initiative. Now let's see how you can download this app as well as how to use this app. So for downloading, you first need to go on Play Store. Once you go on Play Store, go to search button and write My Career Advisor. So now let's click on search button and type My Career Advisor app and then click on search button. Then the first app which you are getting here, My Career Advisor by MOE. MOE means Ministry of Education, Wadhwani Foundation. So you just need to click on install button. Once you click on the install button, this app will get installed in your mobile. So now let's install it. So now as you can see, my app is getting installed. It's very small size, only 18 MB size of this app. So it won't be taking much space of your mobile as compared to its usefulness. So now as you can see, my app is installed and now let's click on open. Now they are going to ask you a few permissions. So allow that permission, like first permission is notification. So give the permission as allow. Here you have two options. If you don't have any account, you can create, and if you have already an account, you can log in. Since this is our first time, so we are going to create an account here. So now let's click on create now. Once you create now, they are going to ask your email ID or mobile number. So whatever you are comfortable, you just enter here and then click on generate OTP. So as you can see, now next option is create password. So you can enter your new password here, then again retype it, confirm your password and click on set password. So now they are going to ask some personal information like your first name, last name, state, city, town, your mobile number, your email ID is already given, grade, and then click on submit button. Now it's asking the axis of location. So you can give this while using the app. So I am giving that option. And now they have given one welcome note. Welcome to My Career Advisor. We are excited to have you on board. So now here they have asked first questions like, do you plan to go to college for higher studies? Not sure, yes or no. So I will click yes. Then proceed. They have asked few questions. So tell us about your plan for higher education. Your preference will guide us in providing tailored job recommendation. So you just need to enter here your preferences. Like here many things are there like art and design. So if you have any option, if you like interior designing, click on it. Or photography, click. Then business and entrepreneurship, then e-commerce, e-management. But you can select up to 3 passions only, not more than that. So while choosing, you select the major 3 one which you want. So here I am going to choose like aerospace engineering. Then I'm going to choose investment and stock. And third, I'm going to choose video creation and editing. After that, just click on submit button. So now next is start your questionnaire. Discover your aptitude, interest and value. Complete the questionnaire to unlock the personalized career path. So now they are going to ask you a few questions based upon the passions you have selected. So now here the questions is there like aptitude, interest and value on this three, and you can just click on start button and your test will start. Based on that they are going to give the personalized one, and this you can do it later on also. So I am going to do it on later on stage. Now I am not going to go for this test. So now click I will do it later. So now here again they are giving you like attempt it now only, but I will select I will do it later. So now this is your app, where on the top this is your profile, and here these are the three tests which I have clicked on later on. So you can do that. Now here because I have selected aerospace engineering, so they have given me few information regarding that. I can click and discover all that thing. Then investment and stock, video creation, so I can choose for more also. So like other things is also there. So now let's click on aeronautic engineer. So if we click here, I will get all the details related to aeronautical engineering. So I will get here day work, what are the things. Then on the right side if I go, it is tier 1 large city, may high probability of job and income, estimated salary range, all the things are given here. Or you can search for roles also. If you have any specific role you can click here. So like I will click here, let us select here AI engineer. So now as you can see here, AI engineer, data engineer, AI develop engineer, machine language engineer, many things has came. So I can just click on like machine learning engineer, I will click. So it will show me the detail of all that career. So whatever career option I want here, things are also there like attraction of the job, challenges of this job, how to prepare for this job, or what are the skill centers you can explore. So friends, if you are a student from class 9 to 12, or if you are confused about your career choice, then my career advisor is the perfect guide for you. Do share this video with your classmates and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you in the next video. Thank you.